Hey guys, it's Morgan with The Life in Crafting, and today is Michael's grab bag day. I was able to get 3 of their famous grab bags, which they sell for $5, but could have anything in it from wreaths to floral to pillows, home decor, you name it, it could be in these boxes. A special shout out to my dad who picked up 3 of these for me today while I'm at work. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I have no idea what's in here, but I can't wait to open them with you. Be sure to follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now let's get to crafting. Okay, got my favorite scissors, and if you're a crafter, you know exactly what I'm talking about, and I'm getting ready to open the first box. Let's see what's in here. The anticipation is killing me. I see Christmas stuff. Who doesn't want more Christmas floral? I know I do. Oh, shoot, got some tulle on here. Let me do this. All right. Let's get ready. First thing, love a good buffalo check ribbon. This is great for all year round, retail for $14. We have little, I think this is Nala, right? It's a TY toy. Yeah, Nala. I got 2 little Nalas in here. Super cute. These 3D stickers. So it's some rainbow, some clouds and sparkle. Here's that floral. Look, great garland. Again, definitely my Christmas style. Not mad about getting this garland. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Look at these little stuffed animals. I love little stuff like this that you get in here that you weren't necessarily expecting. Another Nala. This great little heart ornament. A happy planner. Do you use these? I always see these at craft stores, but I've never used one before. If you do, let me know in the comments. Look like this is blank, so I can use it. So if you use it and you have any tips, please let me know. Some electric Tealight candles. My mom loves these, so I'll definitely be giving these to her. Yes, more garland, because if you're going to get it, you might as well get a lot of it. So you can, I'd rather have too much garland than not enough. I think that's universal. Here's the tulle from a St. Patrick's Day. Small adult tutu. I don't know any adult small that's that small, but okay, Michaels. Oh, and then we got another one. Another happy planner. Yay, love these. I love making ornaments for pets, and I have a dog, Jake, and a cat, Lady, so these will be perfect for them. Again, more Christmas floral. I'm not going to be mad about anything Christmas floral. Look at these guys. So cute. Some more buffalo check. Again, not mad. This is great for farmhouse, Christmas. You could do fall. You could do lemons with this. I want to try a little heat transfer vinyl on ribbon to make some lemon decor with this. I think this will be great for that. Some muffin cups. These are great. Again, if you want to bake or something, just throwing around in here, who cares if there's clovers on them. Some more random ornaments. Candles. And more garland. Let's see what we have in here. I see like a horse or something. I think this is gonna be like kids' toys. Weird mythical creature. Oh, The weird mythical creature is a reindeer, and this pillow is amazing. I love this pillow, $30. So cute. Super cute. Love this. This is a great tin. That's cute. Love these little ornaments. This would be a great gift. These are 2 little coin purses. Who doesn't want some festive holiday earrings? Oh my gosh, the milk and cookies one on top is cute and can be all year round. I might be wearing that in a video. That might be a theme. Some more muffin cups, super helpful. This is great because I have more Christmas floral in here, and it's gold, and I love using gold for Christmas. So I have a few different styles in here. There's no, what does this one say? This one just says bush, Christmas bush for $15. No glitter on it, so it's instantly a favorite. Here's another one, and then these look like, this just says stem, but it looks like a fake kind of like eucalyptus, gold eucalyptus thing. There's this would make a great toga thing. If anybody needs this for a toga project, let me know, because this needs to be made into a Greek toga outfit. That's what it's saying to me. I have this sort of random blush colored one. This is a Christmas stem, they're calling it. This is classic, a random pepper. I think these are gem lanyards. My friend used to have one of these in high school, so this is definitely giving me a throwback. Okay, definitely need to give my dad a great holiday gift because there were 2 of these reindeer pillows in here. Again, love them, love them, love them. Some more happy planners. There might be a happy planner giveaway coming up. This is amazing. Love this. This is something I never would have purchased, but I'm super happy is in here and I'll definitely use. Wait, I got some more muffin tins for you. This was definitely their St. Patrick's Day bag. And I love decorating for St. Patrick's Day, so I don't mind this. Some more earrings. These are little hats. Some socks. High knee socks. Other than that, they would be helpful, but maybe a little too long for every day. And some more of these little hats. Another one of these bottle caps. These are whimsical. These do, there's a price on the back, and these do sell for $15. So, thank you. Love them. Oh my gosh. What are the odds of this happening? This is an M, and my name is Morgan, and this is an M, so it's great that it works out. I don't think that's ever happened. This is a bling sticker embellishments. And that's it. That's what was in the second grab bag. After I'm done opening this, I'm going to share my top 3 favorite finds and my least favorite finds, so stay tuned for that. Now let's see what's in here. Oh gosh, let's see what's in here. I see more St. Patrick's Day, and how can I live without a happy planner? I really would love those tips because I have a few of them. Some more buffalo check ribbon. Yay! Also red buffalo check. This one's definitely a little bit more Christmassy, but I got 1 red, 2 red, 3 red buffalo checks in here. Whoops, another Nala. Some more Christmas floor. These ones have berries on them and some glitter. This is definitely heavier. Retail $10. Well, this one's missing some. It looks like it was cut, so whoever did this, not cool. but it ended up in my grab bag. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 of these little guys. These are more of the muffins. I'm probably gonna bake some. I have more of these Irish for the day. Because I have a few of these, I'm probably going to sand them down, spray paint them, and this just looks like it's dying to be a Pepsi or a Coke or a Sprite cap, so that will probably be a DIY in my near future. This looks new. This is little cake toppers, cupcake toppers for the new cupcakes. Some more skirts, again, adult small. And we have another one in here. This says embroider items you love with these embroidery cats. This is an embroidery stencil thing. I've never embroidered, so I have no idea how to use any of that stuff. These are circular needles for threading. I don't sew either, so. Some more of these bad boy planners. This is gonna be everyone's Christmas gift this year. If I give you one of these, that means, well, I think you know what it means. So, yay! This was in my second bag, and I'm glad there's more of it. Again, if I'm gonna get garland, I'd want too much than not enough. I love these. I think it's unique. And I genuinely love decorating for St. Patrick's Day, so I love grabbing these bags. This will be helpful. Some ornament hooks. We got leprechaun earrings. I will not be wearing these. Just gonna put that down. Some more hat earrings. These ones. Another leprechaun. This is fun. This is something, this is nice. It has a padding on it. But I would not have purchased, and if it wasn't the grab bag, I never would have, but I'd always be kind of looking at it from afar. So I'm glad it was in here. Belle Little Fake Pine Cone and Greenery, retail for $10. Some more St. Patrick's Day earrings. There's a few of these in here. This is 2020. I'm trying to see if this is thin enough to fit through the Cricut Maker. I'm not sure. But you can definitely pull this charm off and put on a new charm, and that's what I'll be doing with these. Just use little tweezers, and this should easily just come off with the jewelry making kit stuff. But they all have that 2020, and who wants to remember Christmas 2020? Again, that were those earrings that I don't want to talk about. Here's some nice ones. Clovers. Respectable. Yay, I'm glad there was another one of these. This is cute, and now I can give this to a friend and hold on to another one without feeling guilty. And some more planners. Okay, now there's gonna be a ton of people getting these for the holidays. And the last item in my Q1 Michael's grab bags is the green hat earrings. Thankfully, it was not the leprechauns because I would have thrown it at my phone. Here are my least favorite finds. The first one has got to be this planner. Nothing against it, but I just got so many of them, I have no idea what to do with them. Another least favorite are these leprechaun earrings. As a redhead, I just can't wear them. Nothing good will happen. Lastly, these embroidery sheet stencil things. I don't embroider, so there's nothing really for me to do with them. And now for my favorites. The first one has got to be this pillow. I absolutely love it. Like I said, it combines everything I love. Holiday decor. Next up, I really love these bottle cap tins. I think that they're super versatile. I can't wait to DIY with them. My last favorite piece is something I never would have picked out for myself, and it is this ball garland for St. Patrick's Day. Thank you so much for watching my video opening these 3 Michael's grab bags. I'm Morgan with The Life in Crafting. Be sure to follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.